To obtain your Louisiana State Police car accident report online, you can visit the LSP Crash Reports page to make a report request. Visit the official LSP Crash Reports website at crashreports.eps.la.gov and click on Request Report Number, search by details or report number. Either enter your first name, last name, date of crash, and parish, or enter your report number, which can be found on the document you received at the scene of the accident. If the displayed information is correct, click Purchase. Select your report and any accident photos needed. Enter your requester information. Review report number request. If the displayed information is correct, click Continue. Access and use of accident reports is subject to terms and conditions. Review them carefully and proceed only if you agree. Enter your credit card information and click Next to pay the fee. You can typically expect to receive your report via email within a week, but it may be available the same day. If you need help or have any questions, call me at 504-834-4000 for a free consultation, or visit lavislaw.com